Y'all seen that meme, right? Chick-fil-A now has lemon pepper wings, but they only in Atlanta. Don't worry, Unc's got you covered. I'm gonna show you how to bring that ATL flavor straight to your kitchen, Chick-fil-A style. Watch this. First move, marinate these bone-in chicken wings in some dill pickle juice. Let the wings sit in the fridge for at least an hour or overnight if you want them real juicy. While that chicken's marinating, whisk up a quick egg and some milk. This is gonna help that crust stick to that chicken and keep it nice and juicy on the inside. Now in the second bowl, I got some all-purpose flour, a little cornstarch, powdered sugar, and then that dust that you need, Atlanta Lemon Pepper Mild. You can grab this seasoning from UncleDibbz.com. Just hit the link in my bio or the description. Stop using that toxic lemon pepper and get you the real deal. Mix it all together. Dry off your wings, dunk them in that egg wash, then coat them in that flour mix. Press that in real good so that it sticks. Repeat the same process for the rest of your wings. Now let them chill on a wire rack for 10 minutes. That makes sure that crisp doesn't fall off in the oil. Next, heat your oil to 350. Once your oil gets to temp, drop them in, but make sure you give them space. You do not want to overcrowd your pan. Fry them for 10 to 12 minutes or until their internal temperature is 165. And when they're nice and golden and crispy just like this, it's time to pull them. Now while these wings cool off, we're gonna make that lemon pepper wet sauce, ATL style. First, add some water to your saucepan. Once it starts boiling like that, add your butter. Mix that so that it emulsifies. Once that butter is melted, add a couple of drops of some garlic paste and mix that in. Next, add some more of that Atlanta Lemon Pepper Mild, a couple of shakes of that. Add some fresh squeezes of some lemon juice, and then a little bit of that Chick-fil-A lemonade. Hits the spot. Whisk that all together. Next, add your wings to a bowl and top it with that lemon pepper wet sauce. Now let's toss it up. Oh yeah, shawty. Chick-fil-A might need to call me for this one, shawty. Homemade ATL style lemon pepper wings made with that Uncle Dibbz touch. Let's try it out. That's good, shawty.